Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook stir-fry potatoes. And these are the ingredients you need. 3 potato, about 1 pound. Then 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, ginger, half cup of frozen green pea, salt, sesame oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and water. First, rinse a little bit so the stain goes away. And then we're going to peel the potato. My potato has been peeled, so I'm going to cut into slice, like 1/2 centimeter thick. Okay, like this. And then I'm going to, so it looks like this. So I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to soak it in water so the color will not change. And also the starch comes out from the potato. Okay, I have cut all the potato in here, and it's soaking in the water, so the color won't change. Otherwise, it will turn brown. So now, in the meantime, I'm cutting the onion. Ginger, you can slice or mince it. It's like a teaspoon of ginger. I'm cooking in medium heat. My pan is hot, so I am going to add in about a tablespoon of oil. I'm adding in the onion first. I'm cooking the onion until the aroma comes out. Okay, now my onion is golden brown and the smell comes out. So I'm going to add in ginger and garlic. Okay, I'm going to add in the potato. Okay, I'm adding in a 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Adding in 1/2 cup of frozen green pea. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of soy, the light soy sauce. I'm going to add in a little bit of water because it needs to cook softer. So about 1/2 cup of water and cover. 5 minutes has gone by, and let me check. It looks like this. And yeah, I'm putting 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. Yep, it's breakable. So the potato is cooked, and I am going to turn off my heat, and I'm adding in 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. It smells so good. It's cooked. It looks delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.